Hey guys, it's time for another AtariBBS progress report. This one will be pretty quick too. I've added in line input primitives for normal input, like entering your name or entering a menu option, or for password like input. Now the input primitives are broken up into two sections. Character-based input, and the character-based input functions are built upon to create line input functions. And we'll go on from there as time evolves here. So basically, I won't show you too much of the code. If you want to see the code, as always, you can go to the GitHub and grab it, build it, test it, compile it, contribute to it yourself. But so we'll just go on to the test real quick. As you can see here, I have Altera running in my remote desktop session here over to my Atari development laptop here. And I got Spartados loaded. I will go over to D2 and start the BBS. Go into the BBS directory and go into there. See, waiting for call. I will bust out my trusty putty, connect via telnet, and as you can see here, matching the display on the Atari, we have what's your name, I'll put Tom, and yes, it actually does handle backspace and everything else correctly. You also can't over backspace. It stops at the beginning of the input line, as it should. Type a few things into test. Finally, I'll just settle on Bob. And finally, the test of the password field here. Much the same behavior, except this time you actually do have a user configurable hidden character here, as well as the option to not display one at all. Hit enter. We see the fields, and it hangs up. Try again. This time we'll do it from the Mac OS X Telnet terminal. And as you can see, I need to deal with the backspace differences here, but you'll see that they're actually properly dealt with. If we go back, we see that the fields are correct, and well, there we go. That's the end of it for you guys.